Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you a simple VBA macro that helps you find and select all cells containing formulas in your active Excel worksheet. This can be particularly useful when you want to quickly review or audit all formulas in a spreadsheet. Let's dive into the code and see how it works. Press Alt F11 to open the code editor and insert a module. Here's the full VBA code. Create a subroutine named Select Formula Cells. Declares a variable formula cells to hold the range of cells that contain formulas. Tells VBA to continue running even if an error occurs, preventing the macro from stopping if no formulas are found. Attempts to set formula cells to all cells in the active sheet that contain formulas. Resets error handling to its default, where VBA stops on errors. If formula cells are found, selects them. Otherwise, shows a message saying no formula cells were found. To test the macro, start by closing the VBA editor. Next, select the worksheet you want to check for formulas and press Alt F8 to open the macro dialog box. Choose Select Formula Cells from the list of macros and click Run. This will select all cells containing formulas in the active worksheet. To test the functionality further, try deleting all of the formulas in the worksheet and run the macro again. Excel should display a message box indicating that no formula cells were found if there are no formulas present. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips.